Friends, so today I'm going to show you the fundamental analysis of one of the chemical company in India, which is having right now the current price 425 rupees. But if you see the fundamental of this company, you will see this company have very good growth prospect, and also having a very good markets in particular chemical industries. So let's see about this particular company. If you see that this is the 1 day chart, but if you look into this 5 year chart, the company is showing very good consolidation, and also you can say the very down as per their traditional trend. Every consolidation on this company is giving a good opportunity for this accumulation, and there is good chance of increasing the price in the coming days. If you see the 10 year chart, you will see this company now it is still at their particularly bottom level, and there's a good chance of going up. Let's see more information about this company here. This company is from chemical industries chemical, market cap just 185 crore, and category small cap, enterprise value 164 crore, book value per share just 455. The current price something less than their particular good book value, which is also very good sign. Peg ratios are 0.22, very nice peg ratio here, and dividend is 0.59. But if you talk about the overall performance, last 1 year company has given a negative return of 63%, which is showing the people are scaring, okay, this is the very low return. But if you see about the fundamental of this company, you will be surprised that company is having good basically probability of going upward. Now if you see the 5 year, but if you talk about update, the company is paying dividend consistently, which is a very good sign. If you talk about the overall indicator, right now it's showing oversold, and all the indicators are showing negative. But please check with your technical advisor before taking further position in this particular company on the basis of technical analysis. So if you see about this is from chemical and price, you can say market cap is 185, which these things we discussed already. EPS for this particular company is 32.39 as per the March 2023, and if you talk about the P is just 13.16, and industry P is 29.39, book value 455.78, and price to book value is 0.94, dividend is 0.59, and number of shares just 0.43, face value 10. If you talk about the result of this quarterly result of this company, you will be surprised that the company quarterly result are basically not in that much kind of growth swing in last few quarter, but it is as per the value. When you see the annual return of this company, you will be surprised. So let's discuss about the quarterly. Right now it's showing 62 crore in March 2022, and in March 2023 is showing 43.63, which is down. EBITDA also you're seeing 8.3 crore in March 2022, and also March 2023 is 2.93. If you talk about other income, companies generating other income very exponentially right now is 1.28 crore, and but very positive thing, and every investor looks like for the they are looking for the good balance sheet where the interest is very low. So in this case particular company is not having too much interest. Okay, and PBIT, profit before tax, is also showing just 3.4 crore, and it is reduced from 7.26 crore. So every kind of down in the good company is showing a good opportunity of investment. Okay, now talk about this particular profit, and if you talk about net profit is also decreased from 4.35 to 2.55. But if you talk about the annual return, so what annually is happening, if you see carefully, the company in 2014-15 the sales was just 50 crore 40 crore now, but it is now exponentially increased to 205 crore. Okay, exponentially growth for this company. If you talk about EBITDA right now increased from 2 crore to now 81 crore in 2021, but after that the company sales in decrease, and basically something, so a margin decrease, and it is showing 18.9 crore, which is a good opportunity of enter in this company because of some kind of margin pressure or some kind of crude oil price increase. So because of that this particular things are happening, but maybe it is a short-term kind of situation. But if you talk about the interest of this company, how company reduce their particular borrowing and decreasing particular interest and increasing overall balance sheet strong, they are making the balance sheet strong. Profit before tax 41 crore now 19 crore. Okay, and PAT also growing from, if you talk about here the PAT, if you click here you will see that earlier just a 1 crore profit, now it is showing 14 crore profit. If you see in the term of last 10 year, the overall very good profit in the profit after tax. Net profit is in the same situation. Earlier net profit, if you talk about the earlier net profit company was having, you can say just 0.79, now it is doing 14 crore net profit, also very good sign for the company. If you talk about, let's see about the particular ratio of this company. If you see that the companies have a return on equity is 18%, return on capital and 25% return on capital employed. But if you see carefully, the company maintained 60% return on capital employed in last few years. Maybe as soon as the margin, they will improve the margin, they will be able to maintain this kind of return on capital. And return on asset also very improved here. You can say 40 to 50%, 40% return on asset, and here you can say 15.35 is the return on asset for this company. If you talk about efficiency ratio, in the efficiency ratio you will understand that how company's margin is fluctuating. Earlier pivot margin was 20%, now increased to 18%. 45% margin the company was triggering in 2021, and after that the company was increasing their particular book value, which is very important for any kind of company. So you can say from 12 rupees book values increased to 424.26, exponentially increasing their particular book value by the company. Inventory days also very maintained. Dividend payout very less right now, and a company is very good as far as the fundamental is concerned. And if you talk about the balance sheet of this company, you will be surprised that the company's balance sheet is very good showing here. If you talk about the one of the important thing, company's equity capital is not too much diluted, because earlier it was 4.14, now it is 4.34. Very margin dilution happened last 10 years. But if you talk about the overall reserve, which is a very important thing for the companies, growing exponentially here in last 1 and 2 years. The company's reserves is growing exponentially, very good sign. Okay, if you talk about non-current liability, just 1 crore, current liability just 4 crore. Company reduced their current liability exponentially here. Non-current asset 65 crore, current asset 139. If you click on this current asset, you will see the company is maintaining 76 crore inventory, 17 crore market they are going to receive from the market, cash and 21 crore cash, very good. So excellently managed by this particular balance sheet by the company. Net sales increasing exponentially, 188 to 205. Total income is also growing, and PAT is reduced because of some kind of margin impact in this company. You can say cash flow is showing very excellent here. Company is maintaining and now showing 22 crore cash, very good sign. And if you talk about here the company's promoter holding increase, slowly promoter increasing, but particular position from 46.9% to now 49.3%, exponentially increasing by the promoter. And if you talk about FIA holding, FIA intact, holding 0.47, excellent holding by the FIA. DIA also holding here. If you talk about the mutual fund, is holding 0.06 in this particular company, chemical company, and non-institution is holding 50.17%. Okay, and these are the promoter group. You can read about the promoter, who is Suresh, Mr. Jain, and here's the board of director. Now if you talk, some mutual fund are also holding in this particular company, like Quant Active, you can say Quant Tax Plan. So these some mutual fund also holding in this particular Kanchi Karpooram Ltd. Fundamental, if you read about the fundamental, companies having very high return, no leverage, means there is no debt almost, and consistent dividend paying company. Very good company, and always check with advisor. Let's see about the website of the company, what is the company is doing. And if you go here in the fundamental, so as you can see on the company site, that the company name is Kanchi Karpooram Ltd. This company established in 1992. It is a public limited company manufacturing camphor and its derivative, gum rosin, value added rhodocin, and fortified rosin. Over the last 25 years, the company has very proven track record for the quality and competitive price, timely supply to the variety of customers across industries, and the main product of this company is camphor. Okay, so right now you can see this company's overall turnover across 1.1 billion in 17-18, and more detail you can read from this company. What are the technology, what are the process, what are the different sites the company is having, who are the executive of this company. So you can read from the company website, and also read about the what are the different information and production setup for this company. Okay, thank you.